Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another 3D printing project. So let's get cracking. Friends, we are starting on my website, HLModTech.com. I've got the page dedicated to 3D printers, and here you'll find the Mingda Magician X2. I have also got access to a coupon code. You can use it as HL20 off. Enough of the website, though. Let's move to the 3D printer. Alright everybody, before we get started with cool stuff, let's start with something I missed. They even have little arrows and I did not add the screws. I guess I was excited about getting ready to 3D print, but we do want to install those really quickly. Once again, labeled right there. And one final tightening. So once again, I am in Kira 5.31. We've got the Magician X2. If you have not set yours up, I'll have steps up here so you can see where we did that in the first print video. I'm going to grab, notice I typed HL, what I call a Flexi Fish. These were made by Muzz64. I found him on Thingiverse. I love this print. I do tend to always rotate it 90 degrees. So I will do that real quickly. If you haven't seen that, this blue one will let you spin it around. I like to use extra fast settings because I leave these as a scavenger hunt. So the quicker they print, the more I can leave. 0.8, 2 walls, no horizontal expansion. 0.8, so just really the default settings all the way down. I found this filament is fine with 200 and the 60. Speed of 60 has been fine. Retraction is fine. And then once again, I am starting with skirt, 4 lines, 10 millimeters away and 250. And this will help us as we adjust our Z offset. Finally, once it's there, it's going to be about 29 minutes. And let's save it to removable disk and hit eject. Alright everybody, the second thing I did not do was adjust my Z offset. So let me show you how we're going to do this. First, we're going to print. I'm going to go from the SD card, and I've got this Flexi Fish. That's the one I want, so I'm going to tell it confirm. And now we just need to wait for it to heat up. If you want to get both heating up at the same time, don't forget you can switch to heat. Make sure you're on the nozzle and then hit increase to move it up one. That is a great trick to get your prints going just a little faster if you didn't preheat. Now the setting I need to adjust if I want to get Z different is the baby step Z. You can see right now it is set for 0.1 and I can increase or decrease. So I like where mine is, but I'm still going to increase it 0.1. Let me see if I can go to 0.01 so it's even less. Yes, I can. So I'm going to do 0.01 increase. And then I'm going to save that. And what's nice is it saves it forever. Just like that. Let's see how this flexible fish turns out. Alrighty friends, so let's peel it off and see just what we made. As you can see, great adhesion, and we have got an epic flexible fish. Friends, the Magician X2 from Mingda is absolutely awesome. Friends, of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Don't forget, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.